Chapter 3. Editing in Excel. Editing in Excel refers to making changes to the content, format, or structure of cells, formulas, or data within a worksheet. In this chapter, you will learn how to edit or delete cell content, insert and delete cells, rows and columns, copy and move data, and also how to change the row height and column width. Editing cell data. It is used to change the entered data in a cell. You can change data in the cell either directly or by using the formula bar. There are two ways to edit the content of the cell. Using Enter mode, which completely changes the content. Using Edit mode, that makes the necessary changes or partial changes. Overwriting using Enter mode. Overwriting is when you want to replace the entire content of a cell. To overwrite the content of a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell and type the new content by writing over the existing text. Step 2. Press the Enter key on the keyboard or click the tick button on the formula bar to accept the changes. Partial modification using Edit mode. Partial modification is done when you want to change a few characters in a cell. To modify the content of the cell partially, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell and double-click inside the cell. Or select the cell and click on the formula bar. Step 2. Position the pointer at the desired place. Change the data and press Enter. Now, the Edit mode indicator changes to the Ready mode. Smart bit. Select the cell and press F2 key to open the Edit mode, using Undo and Redo. Sometimes after making changes in a cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data. The Undo command allows you to get back on the last action you have done. To undo an action, click on the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. It reverses all the selected actions. The Redo button will remain inactive. The Redo button only appears after you have undone an action. To redo an action, click on the Redo button on the Quick Access toolbar. Smart bit. You can use the shortcut keys Ctrl+Z for the undo and Ctrl+Y for redo actions. Copying and moving data. Excel allows you to copy or move content that is already entered into your spreadsheet and paste that content to other cells, which can save you time and effort. Copying refers to duplicating data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Moving refers to changing the position of data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Copying cell contents. Use copy and paste options to copy data from one location to another location. To use this method, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells that you want to copy. Step 2. Click on the Home tab and then click on Copy in the clipboard group. The dotted line will appear around the selected range of cells. Or right-click on the selected cell and select the Copy option from the context menu. Step 3. Select the cell where you want to paste data. Step 4. Right-click on it and select the Paste option, or click on the Paste option in the clipboard group. Different paste options will appear, and then select the option that you want. On hovering the mouse pointer on each option in the Paste drop-down list, you can view a live preview of how the pasted data will look. Click the option that you want to paste the selected data to a new location. Moving cell contents. Use cut and paste options to move data from one location to another location. To use this method, follow the given steps using clipboard options. Step 1. Select the range of cells that you want to move. Step 2. Click on the Cut option in the clipboard group of the Home tab. The dotted line will appear around the selected range of cells, or right-click on the cell to open the context menu and select the Cut option. Step 3. Select the range of cells where you want to move the data. Step 4. Click on the Paste option and the selected data will move to the new location using drag and drop. Step 1. Select the range of cells that you want to move. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer to the border of the selected cells until it changes to a four-sided arrow cursor. Step 3. Click and hold down the left mouse button while dragging the selected cells to the desired new location within the same worksheet. Step 4. Release the mouse button to drop the cells into the new location. Smart bit. The shortcut keys to copy is Ctrl plus C, cut is Ctrl plus X, paste is Ctrl plus V. Inserting cells, rows and columns. Sometimes, while entering data, you may forget to add certain entries. In such a situation, you can also insert cells, rows and columns in the worksheet whenever required. Let us learn how this can be done. Method 1. Using Insert drop-down of Home tab. Step 1. Select the cell or a range of cells where you want to insert the cells. Step 2. In the Home tab, Cells group, click on the drop-down arrow of Insert. Then select Insert Cells. Step 3. The Insert dialog box will appear. There are 4 options to choose from. Select the desired option and click on OK. To insert a row, select the row heading, then click on the drop-down arrow of Insert. Then select Insert Sheet Rows. New row inserted above the selected row. To insert a column, select the column heading, then click on the down arrow of Insert, then select Insert Sheet Columns. New column inserted left to the selected column. Method 2. Right-click Context menu. Select the cell and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Insert option. Insert dialog box will appear on the screen with 4 options. Select the desired option. Select the column letter and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Insert option to insert a new column to the left of the selected column. Select row number and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Insert option to insert a new row above the selected row. Method 3. Shortcut keys. Select the cell or range of the cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus sign to open. Insert dialog box and choose the desired option. Select the row and press Ctrl plus Shift plus sign. Select the column and press Ctrl plus Shift plus sign. Fact bit. To insert multiple columns, rows at the same time, select more than one column and then choose Insert Sheet Columns. Insert Sheet Rows. The number of columns, rows, inserted will be the same as selected by you. To insert non-contiguous columns, rows, hold down the Ctrl key and select the rows, columns. Deleting cells, rows and columns. You can delete rows, columns and cells that you no longer need into your worksheet. Method 1. Using the Delete drop-down of the Home tab. Step 1. Select the range of cells you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the drop-down menu arrow of the Delete option in the Cells group on the Home tab. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Select Delete Cells. The Delete dialog box is displayed. Step 4. Select the desired option and click on OK. To delete a row, select the row and click on the drop-down arrow of Delete, then select Delete Sheet Rows. To delete a column, select the column and click on the drop-down arrow of Delete, Then select Delete Sheet Columns. Method 2. Right-click Context menu. Select a cell and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Delete option. The Delete dialog box will appear on the screen with 4 options. Select the desired option. Select the column letter and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Delete option to delete the selected column. Select the row number and right-click on it to open the context menu. Select the Delete option to delete the selected row. Method 3. Shortcut keys. Select the cell or range of the cells and press the Delete key to delete the selected cells. Select the row and press Ctrl+- sign. Select the column and press Ctrl+- sign. Hiding and unhiding rows or columns. Method 1. Using the Home tab. Step 1. Select the row or column that you want to hide. Step 2. Click on the Format drop down in the Cells group on the Home tab. Step 3. Choose Hide and Unhide and select Hide Rows to hide rows or Hide Columns to hide columns. The selected row or column will now be hidden. Fact bit. The double line indicates the location of hidden rows as columns. Double-click on a double line to unhide rows as columns. Method 2. Using right-click context menu. Step 1. Right-click on the selected row or column. From the context menu, select Hide to hide the selected rows or columns. To unhide row column, select the surroundings of hidden rows, columns. Then select the Unhide option. Smart bit. You can minimize the workbook window using Ctrl+F9 and maximize it by using Ctrl+F10. Changing row height and column width. Excel automatically adjusts the vertical space of a row, that is row height, and the horizontal space of a column, that is column height, in a worksheet. Method 1. Using the Home tab. To change the row height or column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row or column. Step 2. Click on the Format drop-down in the Cells group on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on Row Height, then enter the desired value in the dialog box and click OK. Click on Column Width. Then enter the desired value in the dialog box and click OK. Smart bit. Press Alt+Enter key to enter data in multiple lines in the same cell. That will adjust row height automatically. Method 2. Using right-click context menu. Right-click on the selected row. From the context menu, select the row height option to adjust the height of the row. Right-click on the selected column. From the context menu, select the column width option to adjust the width of the column. Method 3. Using dragging. Step 1. Move your mouse pointer to the boundary line between the row number, column letter of the row bacho column, whose height width you want to adjust. The pointer should change to a double-headed arrow. Step 2. Click and drag the border up or down, left or right, to adjust the row height and column width. Smart bit. Double-click on the border of row of column to automatically adjust the vertical or horizontal space. Fill feature in Excel is used to fill consecutive data items. Fill series, fill patterns using Flash Fill option automatically in the selected cells. Fill is a time-saving feature that quickly replicates and makes data entry tasks more efficient. Let us learn how to use the Fill feature. Fill series. Step 1. Type 1 in cell A3. Select the range A3, A10. Step 2. Click on the Fill drop-down in the Cells group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Series option. A series dialog box will appear. Type step value. Say 1 to increment the next value up to the selection. Number series will automatically fill in the selection. Flash fill feature. Step 1. Now, type the first name of the first student in cell C3. Press the Enter key and again type the first name of the second student. You can observe Excel senses a pattern and shows a preview of data auto-filled in the following cells. Step 2. Press Enter key to see the data will be filled in the succeeding cells. Fill down. Step 1. Type 6 in cell E3. Select the range E3, E10. Step 2. Click on the Fill drop-down in the Cells group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Down option to fill the same data in selected cells. Text orientation. Text orientation refers to the rotation of text at various angles within a cell. Within the alignment group, you can choose desired orientation options such as angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. Chapter highlights. A range is a group or block of contiguous cells. You can edit the contents of a cell by overwriting or partial modification. Overwriting is when you want to replace the entire content of a cell. In partial modification, you can edit the content of a cell in the cell or in the formula bar. The undo helps you to go back if you make a mistake or change your mind, while redo helps when you want to reverse the action of the undo command. Copying refers to duplicating data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Moving refers to changing the position of data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Deleting cell data means removing content such as text, numbers, or formulas from a cell. Flash fill is a powerful tool in Excel that automatically fills in values based on patterns it detects in your data.